Alrighty guys, welcome back. Now previously in May, we were here with my friend. My friend is not with me this time. Instead it's just me. But we got a new friend with us today. We got the GoProMAX. That's right, the GoProMAX. We're gonna be taking a new ride on Cheetah Hunt. Can't wait. And just open the restraint. Alright, here we go.
Everybody ready? We're finally ready.
As some rides would say, the hunt is on! Oh, that's ah! That's cool! I saw the little things stick down. They look like the little brakes that are on the track. That was amazing. I love these things with LSS. I can't tell the difference anymore. I love how funky that roll is. It's like all lateral. Tight turn. Oh, what was that? That's water. Wait, there's water there. There wasn't water last time. What was that? It did like a little dip before it did that. Wow. That was a great ride. I actually like this ride as opposed to everyone else. I don't know why people don't like this ride.
This is my favorite roller coaster.
You think this is your favorite?
Yeah.
You need to get on Gwazi. That's the good one.
Yeah.
You need to get over there. It's really good.